Hi there and welcome to a demonstration of Rubix Address Finder. The software is designed to work seamlessly with Visualfiles and Solcase and allows rapid and accurate address information to be added to your system. So let's have a brief demonstration to show you how it works. When the software is installed, a link is placed in your contact screens. Simply enter a postcode and click the postcode link, which brings a list of all properties in the postcode. All you have to do is to click on the relevant address, which adds this into your system. As you can see, the Finder is not limited to a few addresses, but all addresses assigned to the postcode. If you have the house number or name, you can filter this easily to show only relevant addresses within the given postcode. When you have found the address, you simply need to select this to add into your system. Rubix Address Finder can be added to as many screens on your system as you need, and there is no limit on the amount of searches which you can undertake. So contact us now for a demonstration at info@rubixsoftware.co.uk. Thanks for watching.